You had that vibe and I can't find it nowhere.
TV shopping. Oh, how much is it? Oh, that's good for 75. We got the TCLs. Okay, we're in Best Buy right now. We're getting a living room TV. I like this. Oh yeah, this is crisp.
This is 65? If this is a 65, that's 75. This 75 is.
This is not 65.
Yes, it is. Look. Oh wait, no, never mind. This is 85.
Yeah, ain't no way. This is so crisp. It look like we seeing him right now.
We are seeing him.
TV came with Echo Show. I gotta look it up because I don't even know what this is about, but I love that. I love that buy one get one free type deal. Home Depot, picking out paint. We're gonna paint the cabinets and stuff. The color we got, which one did we get? In gray. So it was cute. It was like a nice little gray color. I don't even see it here no more. Y'all gonna see when we're painting. So we're getting our paints right now. Hey guys, hair depression is over. I'm at the salon right now, about to get my hair did. I forgot to tune in. I'm putting on my jacket. I'm looking all crazy right now, but yeah, we about to transform. So I'm gonna come back when I'm a different bitch. On Zoom again.
So thank you for your patience, ladies and gentlemen. I appreciate you.
Everybody. I'm trying to go back to my skin and see.
What? Y'all, did y'all notice? Like, did y'all notice? Because I did not know that.
Yeah, like this. That's to get set on my regular camera.
I'm out here with a regular phone. Scroll over. Let them see the greatness. She got the 12, though. Like, what? Like, I want good quality pictures. And it looked like the low exposure on TikTok.
See?
Wow. Go back to that pizza. Where you get that pizza from? I've been looking for some New York style pizza over here.
That was fair.
Damn, bro. I'm mad I missed that. Wow. That looks so good.
That's all you gotta do.
That looked like a camera. Like, why do you need to get a camera? Yeah. I got a wrap to the shop. Get my head in and the man comes in and he sells wraps. Like, how you knew I was hungry?
I packed 2 pair of heels. The one I stole from you.
So I just finished my hair.
I think I put it back down by accident.
So freaking cute. I'm so happy I don't have to worry about my hair. Like, I'm so happy. Like, braids for the win. So obviously when I do my makeup and everything, it's gonna be cute. But I got the Bohemian knotless braids. It's still her thing. I'm gonna leave her Instagram. Right now, I'm on a Zoom call still, and I think I'm about to go to the nail salon because my nails look crazy. I can't be having my hair done and my nails look crazy, so.
There you go.
Edges on fleek, though. Y'all see that? Hold on.
Ooh,
Edges, bro. Edges. Like, this, well, this mine? This all me?
Got some coffee.
This not the tape on, the glue on edges either. But I love my hair. It's so freaking cute. And it's long to my ass, you know. You're like, what you doing if your braids ain't to your ass? Like, I'm about to go to the nail salon with them on Zoom because sis need her nails done.
Double BS, bottom pearls. Closet got more birds than birds. Lot of things I gotta serve. Lot of Nina, lot of serve. Lot of need a lot of herb. Gotta be a lot of girls. If I don't eat it, I'm a curb. Man, I eat it or I'm served. I ain't fucking with the bird. Little mama broke my nerve. Faces loaded, shout out bird. Cardi, daddy, I'm on bird.
Yeah, we out to
Fire.
We out to
No, I'm not alone, cause I came with the fire. I'm glad the way the Lord.
Hey guys, we're in Francisco. I'm chilling on a nice little couch. It's so cute. Yeah. Y'all like my onesie? Savage X20. Shout out Savage X20, okay? Period. Mad cute. Guys, at my favorite place. I'm so happy. I'm finally gonna get my nice big baked chicken, and it's about to be blessing, and I'm excited. What is that? Taro tea? Huh? Can't wait to taste it. We're here begging him to open his drink because I want some. It looks so good. Babe, put the stick in there. Like, come on. You know the vibe. I'll let you taste first, but I'm next.
Mental situation, hit that with his person. And I ain't fun, I always show.
Love it here.
So step to that party. Backstage at heart in that chokehold where I start. Sound like a new car when I bought it. I always dream about this lifestyle and happiness. But I sit back and reminisce. Please don't judge me. I pop pills like M&M's. But it's like my M&M's. Smoking my candy now. No joke, rock M&M's. And I like my dinner real. And I just been riding down the alley all in the hill. So I look for God, be the pill. I know y'all want my chips, but still got all my deal. Remember that 38, but still y'all on my hip. Only got no live, only got no live. Yeah. Mental situation, hit that with his person. And I ain't fun, I always show.
That lamp is nice. How much is this table? I'm about to show y'all everything we got from IKEA, and this was one of them. Did y'all know that they got gray paper towels now? Like, that is so fire. Like, it looks black on camera, but it's gray. Trust me. We also got this owl pan from IKEA, which is so fire. We got this little vase that it's in. It's concrete. Gotta get some soil and stuff. But I'm a plant mom, guys. Oh my gosh. Got this little dustpan, which I used already. It's a nice little light gray color. You know, just fun to have. We also got this that's holding the utensils. See our rice cooker, guys? It's so cute. Black and white. They over here making steak right now. That's why it's loud.
Oh, yes, Daddy.
You know, we getting some steak or whatever. I'm excited. I'm starving.
Yo, right now, myself, DJ PK, and you're listening to DJ MK.
When your money she can, baby, come with a fuck on him. We love you, keep it a secret. Make him know, say I'm me a fucking. Bun for bun, got time for your fun. Left your man, not come for a one. Bun for bun, got time for your fun. Left your man, not come for a one.
I try to tell you I buy you, be my careful, though you can't buy dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner. So hard for just your enemy, hard for just your friend. Just your friend. Me nah lie, me love me family, but me not trust you all of them. All of them, my town fuck up, but that's how me feel. Big up and rule, cause up a sunny kneel. All of me long time brother from Teachfield. Long time petro them a whole heap on the battlefield. Some of them are filled with grudge. My dogs are the realest dogs. And my heart clean, filled with love. And me meditation sharp like studs.
Fucking hell.
Intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charge up, he got fi kill a man. Ratty gang fi me gang, pussy run up if you bad. Kryptonite coming out of the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place get noisy. You never know, say a little juvenile coulda run in your yard and take a cheap and say Babylon, Panellian in the street and the main and the buck him Lord Jesus Christ. No make him run, no make him out, no make him sleep living nights more. Yeah, dash him when nobody can find it.
After me no idiot, yeah. After me no idiot, yeah. She better know say after certain time don't contact me, yeah. Some boy wanna lie, boy have some girl wanna start for you wanna fire yard. Them think they mean a lie, lucky she not stab with a knife. And some boy, I fuck some ways down the road. Half them a chase her around. How the fuck you a fuck some dude and I walk up with it in a crowd? Hey, no girl me fuck can't stand no drama. Me make me girl be that banana. Baby miss she know them policy. After 9 o'clock she can't call me. After me no idiot, yeah. After me no idiot, yeah. She better know say
After certain time, don't contact me. Yeah.
Island breeze, I'm a fresh, you know. Make a one pose, and she wet, you know. Girl, they a foot like crepe, you know. Ex-girl, I tell me for second long, but anyhow. 30 girl, a day, come on a chop. If you take it.
Soup is now done, y'all. And it's amazing. It smells amazing. It tastes amazing, y'all. This is it right here. This is it. This is it, y'all. My good, my good. So guys, my mailers came in, so I'm about to package this order. As y'all know, Let's Talk Boutique. Follow us on Instagram. I ordered these mailers in the mail. It's different from the ones that I use for the other bags that I dropped. This one is like purple iridescent. It's fire. I love it. This is the bag that I made for her, which y'all see the small version on my little sister. She wanted the big version for hers. So here we go. I'm not going to package it yet because I'm going to put my labels on there. So I ordered my labels, which look like this. It says La Sac Boutique by Sierra M on it. So your bag is branded, okay? It's not just a bag, it's branded. It's made with love and it's branded, y'all. What more could you ask for? Go shop La Sac Boutique. Tuck the handles inside and fold it over. I'm gonna get a paper. Protect it at all costs. Oh, looks wrapped up. Take a few of these. Get sprinkled in here. This is how it looks. I'm gonna also insert our thank you cards. Let's stop. Next time I gotta get bigger ones, but this is pretty much how it looks. You're nice all the time. You never pull up and you never mash up your tail. You never do it. Nice all the time. Like I used like a Shelly belly. Pretty fuck your bitch already. You not touch a little peppy. Pretty pussy girl, we love you so much. Little purple touch. Yeah, I'm at IKEA. I just finished checking in. I'm waiting for my order to come out, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. It's so fire. When I came in the store, they didn't have no more, and I had to wait for the release, and they just notified me because I missed the release too on the 15th. They just notified me that they restocked. So that's where I'm at. I got my bags. It don't look like nothing right now, but I'm gonna show y'all when I get inside. Hey guys, so remember when I was in the I was doing my hair, and I showed y'all that wrap that I had, that the man had brought inside of the store, inside of the shop. Yeah, so they got their own location. They got like 3 locations, and I was gonna go to the one closest to the house, but my man is like, no, it's ghetto over here. So he told me to come to this location, which is in College Park, which is no parking. So I'm in a parking lot and I gotta walk to my destination. I'm not used to not having parking lot outside of the spot. So who told me to listen to him? But anyways, I'm here. I'm about to go get my wrap. I'm mad excited because that wrap was bang. So I'm just gonna take y'all with me or whatever. That's just what we doing. Now he calling me back. Am I stuck on? They don't want it to like Lego. Remember I had to chop up for petrol. Got my lumber chopping up a metro. Ain't this a young nigga from the ghetto? Stick got rounds I can let go. Then anytime I smoke the vento. I pop up a tag when I chain close. Ain't this a young nigga from the ghetto? See my wrap. This time I added avocado because I actually went to the store and it just looked so inviting. Like, wow. About to bust it down. So this is the bag, guys. Well, one of the bags. It's like a tote bag. It's fire. I figured that it's like a snack, like travel bag. So that's what I'm gonna use it as, like a snack travel bag, because it looks like the material of the like bags that's supposed to keep things cool. But this is how it looks. It's fire. Other bag I got is a crossbody and it's adjustable straps. It says IKEA. I love the detailing on this. This is so fire to me. I would probably use this as the same thing. This one has a little clasp to open. It's a pretty good size too. And I love this one because inside it has mesh. So that's so fire. I love that, love that, love that. It has a mesh thing and it has a pocket in here. So it's pretty compartmentable. Yeah, we had to get a whole new TV from the last one that y'all seen because the inside of it broke. We do not recommend Insignia, okay? This is the brand we familiar with, the TCL. If you know, we got the Roku, everything already with it. And yeah, we back in business, baby. So we're about to try to put this one up today. I'm in a furniture store and I love these stools. Like, I need to get one. What color should I get? Like, the orange? Aesthetically pleasing. We came originally for some bar stools, so we're getting that. But yeah, look at this. Fire. We need like a nice chair. So we're putting it in. Oh. What is that? Good thing everything came in this box because I don't know how we're gonna fit everything, but we did it. We had to take Big Classy. My favorite place, y'all. Favorite place. I love it here.
Everybody successfully punched in today.
You already know.
Hopefully.
Alright,
If so, yes, so. We want to start yet.
Some yards on me. They try to run down on me when they see them niggas at me. Cause I got my yarn on me. Yeah, I got my yarn on me. Yeah, I'm mad annoying, but I always got my yarns. Like, you already know. Like, I stay with my yarns on me, period. Go follow the Stock Mystique on Instagram.